gonna be fun. Here comes circle, rolling in with joy, just like a ball or a pizza toy. Neat and smart, with sides so fair, it's our tidy buddy, Mr. Square. 3 sides, 3 points, it's not a trick. Triangles here, and he's real quick, stretching tall or laying wide. Rectangle is cool with his smooth slide. Ovals round but stretched a bit, like an egg or balloon, what a hit. Dead twinkle, sparkle bright from afar, shining proudly, here's our star. Full of love and feeling so true, heart is here to smile at you. Shiny and sharp, with angles that gleam, diamonds the fancy one on the team. Hence 5 strong sides and ready to zoom. Pentagon's cape goes whoosh, vroom, vroom, with 6 sweet sides and a honeybee hat. Hexagon buzzes, how about that? We're the shapes, hooray!